This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Naomi Race. If you are looking for your own retreat on Lake Norman, this is it. This home is situated on a great lot with views of Lake Norman and boasts high ceilings in the living room, a split floor plan with 2 bedrooms and a full bath down and the primary bedroom suite up, along with another full bath and bonus room, sitting room, craft room or den. Gorgeous views await from the second floor balcony and back deck. At the lake you will find an inviting white sand beach, kayak launch, gazebo with lights and power and your deeded boat slip. Come enjoy the lake life on Lake Norman. For more information call Billy or Naomi Race with the Naomi Race Group, Realty ONE Group Select 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com for more information.